Mag-charge na lang ako doon sa ano, sa Manila.
Once again, for the information of all passengers of Philippine Airlines Flight PR2132 bound for Manila. You are only allowed one piece of carry-on baggage and board.
Ano?
It should not be
Nakita ko si
more than
Kapitan.
7
Kapitan
kilos
nyo?
and should fit in the overhead compartment of the aircraft.
Captain.
Any baggage that exceeds the weight or in size will be intercepted at the gate and will be tagged to your final destination. Once again, for the information of all passengers on Philippine Airlines Flight PR2132 bound for Manila. Our flight for today is full and there might be an overflow of baggage on the overhead compartment of the aircraft. In line with this, we are looking for volunteer passengers who are willing to check in another piece of their carry-on baggage. Interested passengers may approach any of our ground staff here at boarding gate number 3. Thank you.